अगेन आपकी जर्नी मुझे इसलिए बहुत इंस्पायर करती है क्योंकि एज यू सेड पहले ही आपने शुरू किया, बूगी वूगी में रिजेक्ट हो गए एंड उसके बाद आप तो मतलब वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट स्टोरीज अबाउट यू इज हंसल सर ने बताई है काफ़ी लोगों को भी कि शाहिद के टाइम पर तो ही सेड नो टू यू and then you kept going
Yeah,
back.
he refused to meet me.
Yeah, and you
Yeah.
kept going back.
I had to. There was no other option. I had to. Even for my first film, LSD, I kept calling our casting director Atul Mongia till one day he got fed up because at that time they would say कि हाँ pictures mail कर दो ना. Of course उनको भी 1000 calls आ रहे होंगे कि दिबाकर बैनर्जी फिल्म बना रहा है, नए लोग चाहिए. But I kept calling him till one day he said कि you know what, just come and give the audition. I said यही तो सुनना था. And then of course I ended up meeting him and then got the film luckily. Same with Hansal sir. So I think ये you can't have an ego, you know, when you're looking for work, you can't have an ego कि यार कर तो दिया. That's being lazy I feel. बिकॉज कोई आपके घर आके घंटी नहीं बजाएगा कि अरे आपने वो फोटो भेजी थी ना, बहुत अच्छी लगी, आइए ना, गाड़ी खड़ी है बाहर. यू हैव टू कीप गोइंग एंड हैव टू हसल. यू हैव टू हसल. देयर इज नो अदर वे. बीइंग एन आउटसाइडर, दैट्स द ओनली वे आई फील. सो अगेन लाइक हंसल सर के साथ जब शाहिद का पता चला, तो आई मेट मुकेश छाबड़ा. मैंने बोला कि भाई आप बात करो, यू नो, एंड ही ऑल्सो सजेस्टेड माई नेम टू हंसल सर, बट ही वॉज लुकिंग फॉर समवन एल्स एट दैट टाइम. वो किसी और के साथ शाहिद बनाने का सोच रहे थे. फिर मैं वासेपुर की शूट कर रहा था. देन आई थिंक अनुराग सर ऑल्सो टोल्ड हिम दैट यू शुड मीट राज, बट अगेन आई थिंक ही वॉज नॉट रियली कन्विंस्ड. टिल वन डे आई landed up at his office. I was standing outside like how you have an office. I was standing outside and I told कि मुकेश भाई मैं पहुंच गया हूँ, उनको बोलो कि मैं बाहर खड़ा हूँ. And he called him, सर वो बाहर खड़ा है, मिल तो लो 2 मिनट. ऐसी जगह रही यार, अच्छा ठीक है भेजो. And then I met him and then I think we just connected. Then and there we connected, and because I still am a very hungry actor. He must have seen something, some passion, some fire कि नहीं ये सही है शाहिद के लिए. But then उनके प्रोड्यूसर को कन्विंस करना था, मिस्टर सुनील बोरा. Luckily, उसके I think a week after Ragini MMS released my second film, and then Hansal sir took him to watch the film, some night show, and then he saw the film and he's like कि बहुत हरामी एक्टर, ले लेते हैं इसको. As a compliment, of course.
Yeah. एक जो चीज़ again, I mean, I'm going to keep telling all the things I admire about you because I do admire a lot of things about you. एक और चीज़ जो मुझे आपकी बहुत अच्छी लगती है कि आपने अपने तरीके से सक्सेस पाई है. You know, you have done it by creating your own genre only, I would say. कि राजकुमार राव की फिल्में एक तरीके की फिल्में होती हैं जो आप देखते हो और आपको इतना अच्छी लगती हैं बिकॉज यू हैव अ ग्राउंडेड person. Their film can be any kind of film, but the role that you play, the character that you play, you know, there are very few actors who can make you actually get lost and forget about the fact कि मैं एक हीरो को देख रहा हूँ, कि you are actually watching the character. ये बहुत difficult चीज़ होती है. Is it easy to be able to do this kind of work कि जहाँ पर आप you know, in a hero worshipping country, आपने herodom in that sense बहुत नॉन हीरोइक तरीके से पाया.
I think there are two things to it. First, I would say कि मैं भी ऐसा ही था. When I was growing up, as I said, I grew up watching Hindi films. I grew up worshipping my heroes. I still love them a lot. But I think FTI changed a lot of things for me. Going to a film school, getting that kind of exposure to international cinema, to these legends of artists, and not only from like, I'm not talking only about American films, like French films, Iranian films, you know, Korean films. उसने बहुत कुछ बदल दिया. I think that my life really shifted once I went to FTII. From there, it became very spiritual for me. From there, I think it became about living the part, living the character, and not being a hero.
Yeah.
You know, always. Of course, if you get a chance to do that, also that's also fun. I'm sure that is also fun. I would love to do that as well. But for me, it was always about playing the character.
Yeah.
So for me, I actually have an allergy when somebody comes to me for I don't take narration, but like a story narration also. If somebody comes and says, "Sir, जो हीरो का कैरेक्टर है ना वो," I get, what is हीरो का कैरेक्टर? हीरो का कैरेक्टर. I said, do you have two people in the film or what? Like कैरेक्टर है कि हीरो है? So मैं थोड़ा सा एलर्जिक हूँ इस वर्ड हीरो से. तो मुझे लगता है कैरेक्टर है या फिर कुछ और बोलो, उसका नाम होगा कोई. So that's the reason I think I was always very sure कि मुझे किस तरह का काम करना है, and I want to play characters on screen. Because that's so much fun. Because hero will always have your personality. It's like basically your aura, your personality that you're portraying again and again, again and again. I was just talking to somebody last evening actually, but I think things are changing now. Now people would come to watch content mostly. whoever, like for example किसी को भी आप ले लो कि इनकी फिल्म है तो बहुत चलेगी, वो गारंटी नहीं है अभी.
Correct.
Right now it's the content.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's a great thing that has happened कि अगर आप किसी बड़े को भी ले लो, बहुत बड़े सुपरस्टार को भी, अगर फिल्म अच्छी नहीं है ना तो फर्स्ट डे सेकंड डे फिर वर्ड ऑफ माउथ, बिकॉज इट्स सो स्ट्रॉन्ग नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ सोशल मीडिया, पीपल वुड नॉट अप्रिशिएट.
Yeah.
दे लाइक कि नहीं यार वो बाद में देखेंगे, इतनी अच्छी नहीं है.
Yeah.
बट if the film is great, it would work for sure. Yeah, no matter who's there.
But अभी I mean I do see that as well, but मुझे तो जो थोड़ा और भी दिखता है कि एक हाइपर मैस्कुलिनिटी ज़्यादा चलने लग गई वापस, जो पहले एक बीच में इनफैक्ट अ लॉट टू डू विद यू एंड फॉर दैट मैटर आयुष्मान या फिर बहुत सारे ऐसे यंग एक्टर्स जो आए थे जिन्होंने एक तरीके की फिल्में बनानी शुरू की थी विच वर ग्राउंडेड, रूटेड, फोकस ऑन द स्टोरी, फोकस ऑन द कैरेक्टर्स. बिटवीन 2010-11 से लेकर आई थिंक 15-16 तक तो एक बहुत ही अच्छा ब्यूटीफुल फेज था. आपकी स्त्री आई थी उस टाइम पर, इट इज एब्सोल्युटली फेनोमिनल फिल्म. अभी तो बहुत रिसेंटली मैंने बधाई दो भी देखी थी, विच आई थिंक इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल फिल्म्स आई हैव सीन इन मॉडर्न डे हिंदी सिनेमा, अनडाउटेडली. तो the kind of characters you have played in all of these films and yet and to think about it, बधाई दो के अंदर आपने किस तरीके से masculinity को भी पूरा deconstruct किया ना कि there is a body builder police वाला
with a mustache as well,
yeah, who is you know gay, but it has nothing to do with you know that just one aspect. There are multiple aspects of who he is as a person. You know, there are no stereotypes, there are no like behavioral things that you see there.
About like Badhai Do, again, thank you so much. Again, a film very, very close to my heart. Harsh, I think it's all the credit goes to him. Harsh and a writer, Akshat and Suman. उन्होंने ये character लिखा था ऐसा that he would be a bodybuilder, he would have this mustache, a very manly guy, but who's scared of the society.
Yeah.
You know, but that's why I like you know playing these characters. Like even in Shrikant, like Badhai Do, Shardul, my character Shardul, he's gay. That's his sexuality.
Yeah.
He's not 24/7 thinking about I'm gay. You know, like we are straight, so we don't always think about like I'm straight. I don't always think about oh I'm straight. I should behave. I'm straight. No, that is there, right? Yeah. So that's the reason we played it that way. कि हाँ वो gay है, उसकी sexuality का हिस्सा है, वो one of his personalities है. वो सिर्फ ये नहीं, उसकी identity ये नहीं है कि वो gay है. Same with Shrikant. I told Tushar कि yeah he is visually impaired, but let's not play it focus only on कि देखो ये visually impaired है, कि देखो ये visually impaired है. Like real Shrikant also is living his life very normally. Yeah. He is visually impaired, that's given. Na? So let's not focus only on that. Yeah. I think that I like such makers who think like that, who think out of the box. Yeah. Otherwise बहुत आसान है ना just to make it caricaturish के we have seen it in past how you know people have portrayed such characters.
बधाई दो कि आप देख लो, it is such a beautiful portrayal of two characters. हीरो हीरोइन नहीं है, दो लोग हैं और इतने अच्छी. इनफैक्ट अगेन अभी बधाई दो की बात हुई थी, मैं भी थोड़ा डाइग्रेस करके बोलूंगा. वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट पार्ट्स ऑफ दैट फिल्म इज द फैक्ट दैट आपके कैरेक्टर को ओसीडी है कि वो
you caught it.
I caught it and I loved it. I loved it कि वो कभी बात ही नहीं होती. It is just an aspect of his life. वो आग स्विच ऑन ऑफ कर रहा है and this is the kind of nuance that I like.
Exactly.
ये चाहिए. Anyway.
So I just want to add that because not many people caught it. Because now you caught it, I'll tell you. Like there's something which I added in my character. Because I told Harsh के जो हमने अभी बात की कि हाँ वो है, you know he's gay. He doesn't talk about it, doesn't think about it 24/7. But this is something which he's struggling, you know. And first day I remember I didn't even tell him. So पहला shot था कि मैं entry करता हूँ दरवाजे से अपने घर में आता हूँ. And I entered और ये मेरे साथ था. I was like this person for 2 years. It took me a lot of hard work to come out of it. हो जाता है, हम सबके phases आते हैं. So I entered, I shut the door, I did it thrice. And he's like, ये कट ए वो डोर देखो कुछ गड़बड़ हो रहा है, बंद नहीं हो रहा है रात से. I was नहीं हर्ष वो बंद हो रहा है. क्या किया रे तू? That's how Harsh speaks. Like वो है, then we of course he's like अच्छा हाँ करते हैं.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.